Today we're taking a look at this electric grill brush that is perfect for outdoor grills, and this is going to save you a lot of time and energy when it comes to cleaning your grill. And we're going to get into a demo so you can see exactly what it does. But first, let's get right to the unboxing, and you can see the box that this comes in. Once you take the product out, you will see that this also comes with a polishing brush and some other accessories as well. This is a barbecue cleaner that has a 7-angle adjustable head, and it's got an excellent battery too. Now, we grill quite a bit, and on this particular day, we were grilling steaks, and we knew that it was going to leave a mess on our grill, which has two different levels. There's a lower level and then an upper level. And I've actually never had the opportunity to try out a electric brush before until now. We were doing it manually, and it could be a real pain. And especially when you are trying to reach tight corners, using a manual brush is not always easy. The great part about this brush is that it actually has a 180-degree pivoting head with 7 adjustable positions. So by pressing that button near the top, you can adjust it very easily. And once it came time to clean this grill, we were looking forward to testing this out and seeing how that wire brush would do. And you can see in this video that it was so quick to clean the residue off of the grill. You did not have to go back over it multiple times. It was just one time up and down would clean the grill far more effectively than we could do with any of the other tools that we had before. By the way, this is oil resistant and splash proof. And let's get into some more details about the product. So there are 2 replaceable brush heads. It is high temperature resistant, so it can tackle that grill even if there are high temperatures that it is facing. It is a waterproof device, and there's 3 levels, so you can change the speeds of this very easily with just the click of a button. It's more relaxed, it's more efficient. 180 degrees rotate option is a really nice thing to have. And that battery for this cordless brush is going to give you over 90 minutes of continuous use per charge. And the 5-level indicator keeps you informed of the power status. So again, this is perfect for outdoor cooking. It provides really a professional cleaning experience with little effort, and that handle is ergonomically designed so that you can easily tackle the cleaning of your grill, finish quickly, and get back to grilling again the next day. So I hope this helped you at home, and thanks for watching.